I was supposed to go to the Mayo Clinic 10 years ago, and I chose not to because I was still afraid of the outcome. And like I said, over here, it's amazing of what they can do.
Good morning, this is Brock, and Brock's going to tell us his story.
How's it going? I'm Brock Swallow. Been fighting neck and back pain for almost 20 years. Went through multiple doctors, all wanted to do surgery, injections, tried everything, nothing worked. Came here and my pain is like literally almost all gone from everything that I do. I work on cars, so it's always in stress. So it's working. Best thing I can tell you is try it. Is well worth it. I don't know what else to say. It's kind of unbelievable in a sense. I mean, take it from me. If it'll go through and work, I've been there, done it. I said, been 20 years, been fighting this pain, and it's pretty much gone.
What kind of symptoms did you have, Brock?
I have 3 discs in my neck that was bulging, would make my arms numb all the way down to my fingertips, burning, pain. My lower back, same thing, 3 discs in my lower back. Same thing, my legs would go out, they get numb, my knees would ache, couldn't hardly move, and it just is pretty much gone. My leg pains are gone. My shoulders, they're almost done. It's amazing that I can do things that I could not do before, and it's working very well.
So what would have happened if you wouldn't have found us?
Be honest with you, I'll probably end up having surgery somewhere. I'd have found somebody that I'd have trusted enough to cut me, and the outcome, no idea. Like I said, I was supposed to go to the Mayo Clinic 10 years ago, and I chose not to because I was still afraid of the outcome. And like I said, over here, it's amazing of what they can do.
I'm glad we were able to help.